Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In this tutorial we will see some more stuffs with the pandas tutorial. So these are the functions that we will see in this tutorial, that is get dummies and cross tab. Get dummies concept is very important guys, because this concept we will use in the machine learning project to build the machine learning project. Okay, if you want in the machine learning, if you want to know the let's say, if you want to check the accuracy of your particular project, of your particular model, so in that case you need to convert the string value into the dummy variable, that is into the numeric value. Means string value convert into the numeric value, that's we can call as a dummies variable. So we'll start this one with the dummies variable. We have the same that is data frame we have used in the last tutorial guys. So we will use the data underscore dot we have to use the pd dot get dummies. Then inside this dummies variable we need to pass the which data frame you want to, which data frame and which column also you need to pass over here. So see, from this two column we have the string value in course in the course column. Okay, so that only we need to pass. We cannot pass the id column as a for the dummy variable, because that is already a numeric value. So course, once you will execute you will get the dummy variable. Like see, for each particular, let's say for each particular course having a unique value over here. Unique value means, see how you know this is the Python course. So for that 00100, for the R 00010. So like this it will work guys. Okay, so like this dummies variable will work. We will see some more examples with the in the upcoming station, in the upcoming lectures, what this get dummies will work, how this will work, and where we can use this dummy variable. Okay, so hope this will make sense how to use the dummies variable in on your string columns. So we'll go to the cross tab, how this cross tab will work. For cross tab we will we'll do one thing. We can use the same data set. So for that simply pd dot cross tab. Okay, inside this cross tab we need to pass the, I'll show you guys. I'll pass id over here, then again I will pass data underscore 2. Inside this I will pass the course. Okay, once you will execute, you can see over here we are getting the same data, looks like, and means it is looks like same as get dummies. Okay, we can see over here guys. Okay, but in the cross tab we are getting the aggregate value, means we are getting the sum value. You can see over here guys, that is, you can see we have duplicates, like right, this 5 cc we have duplicates over here. So in the fifth id we have 2 cc, that's why 1 plus 1 we are getting 2 over here. So here we are getting the aggregate value, that is sum we are getting over here. And in the Python that is only one times it is repeat, that's why we are getting only one time. So like this cross tab will work. Get dummies means we are getting the unique value for particular element, but in the numeric format, that is 010101, like this. And in the cross tab we are getting the numeric value, but we are getting the aggregate value guys. Okay, so hope this will make sense, the difference between the cross tab and the get dummies. So guys, in this in this tutorial, sorry, that's it for in this tutorial. So in the next tutorial we'll see some more stuffs with this pandas tutorial. So thank you guys.